Hello. Uh, is my voice coming? Hello, Sumit.
Hello, hello.
Yeah. Let me make it
Hi,
uh, this way. Hi. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm great too. And you recently gave your IOCL interview, so I wanted to ask about that, and so that everyone actually get to know how the interview is, because you have also given Gale interview, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and in that interview and this interview, uh, you think that there is some difference, or it was kind of same?
No, there was a lot of difference. Like in Gale interview, they were asking some technical questions, but in case of IOCL, they were not asking any technical questions. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are very well
First,
audible. Okay.
okay.
uh,
So in this IOCL interview, they were asking mostly HR questions. So that was the major difference between the two.
okay, so let me just ask you from the b- from the first thing to the last thing, that first thing that I want to ask is that before the interview, did you prepare something? What was your mindset, and what were you thinking that how the interview would be like?
Okay, so before the interview, as usual, we used to search on Quora, right? We used to search whatever the questions were being asked in the last years. So I found there some technical questions related to distillation and heat exchanger. Some these types of questions were present, but and some HR questions were also present, like why do you want to join IOCL? Why not other PSQs? Or why didn't you go for higher studies? Like these types of questions I was preparing for. Uh, and something about IOCL we should be knowing, like who is the chairman and all, what is the profit. So after this, my interview was on 10th. So I was prepared for these types of questions, but they didn't ask anything like this. Whatever I had prepared, only the introduction part which I had prepared, that was only useful on that day.
Okay.
Apart from this, only HR questions they were asking about IOCL.
So your interview was on 10th September, and at what venue? Kolkata, right?
Yeah, it was at Kolkata.
And you went there by train, or do you live there right now?
No, no, I don't live in Kolkata. I live in Jharkhand actually. I went by train one day before.
Okay, and there was a reimbursement form, right? That they mentioned to fill in uh, to get the
Yeah,
reimbursed amount refund.
yeah, that was actually present, but I did not avail that because they had asked that you have to update your bank passbook and some other like cancelled check and some these types of documents are mentioned in that list. But
Okay.
I didn't have time to go to that bank for all this purpose.
Okay, so let's just move on to the interview day from the very beginning. So when you just reach there, and with all the documents that they had mentioned, like what all documents were needed, uh, it was like the whole application letter, call letter, and then
Yeah,
you have the 10th, 12th, and BTech, right?
yeah.
And
In this,
Aadhaar card,
yeah,
and what else, like gate
category
scorecard.
certificate,
Yes. So
category certificate, gate admit card, gate scorecard. Yeah, these were
okay,
asked.
so when you just entered the main interviews uh, building,
Center.
so center,
Yeah.
so what was the scenario at there, like it was just uh, completely they were giving the instructions like you have to move here, or it was kind of like you face some difficulty there? If any difficulty you
No,
can just share.
yeah. No, actually, on 10th, we were asked to report at 8 o'clock in the morning. So I went there earlier by 10 minutes before. So as soon as I went there, they asked us to a group of 5 students were present. So they told us to go to the third floor, and they actually went with us and showed us that where was a lift and all that, because third floor where was that where everything happened, all the GDPI, GT, everything happened on the third floor. So we were taken by them, and then we sat on a conference hall, and there were around, I think, 60, 70 students were there. So after that, they gave us a briefing about the company of 10 to 15 minutes. No, I think it was 20, 25 minutes. There was no difficulty at all. They were very polite and very good.
Okay. So, what what was the first task that they told about, like document verification or the briefing of the company? What went
Oh,
first?
okay, so first, as we went there, as we reached the third floor, they asked us to sit around a table, and we were given briefing about the company, and as I told, that was 20 minutes, 25 minutes. So that some students used to note some points also, because those were also asked in the interviews. So after that briefing, the document verification began. So that was the second step.
Okay.
And as soon as the document verification was being completed of some students, they were being sent for the personal interviews. And that started around at 11 o'clock.
Okay. And like how many students were there present approximately? Uh,
Approximately, I think there was a 60 or 70, 60 or 70 students at this.
okay. And they were all gathered together, or like it started at 8 a.m. only, or after some time when everyone gathered?
No, everyone was on time. Nobody was late. So it started on time. At 8 o'clock, we were sent.
Okay. And then after the briefing, they first held the GT or the PI first.
No, after the briefing, the first thing what was, as I told, that a document verification had begun.
Yes, yes.
So those students whose document verification was completed, they were being sent one by one for the PI, personal interviews. So, and after the personal interviews, the GD and GT of those students were occurring. Okay, so some students, their GD and GT were taken first, and their PI was later. But those whose PI were taken in the beginning, their GT and GT were the second thing after
Okay.
the PI.
So approximately how much time they took for documents verification? For like you can take give your example.
It it was a very lengthy process, actually, document verification, because my turn came around at 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. I was waiting and I was feeling very sleepy, and there were some students also, they were like sleeping during that document verification.
Okay.
So document verification, that was not much, that was not taking much time, but because there were 60, 70 students, so we had to wait.
And do they like ask something else rather than all those documents mentioned in the list? Something that else that anything else that students should carry?
Uh, no, No, and nothing else. The only documents that are mentioned over there, they will ask you to show that original certificate, show me that original certificate, and later they will tell you to give that Xerox of that certificate, and that
Okay.
should be self-attested on both the sides.
Okay, okay. And one thing I want to ask, uh, something apart from this, that uh, mostly students were wearing formals. So if you just can give an idea, like plain shirt and black trouser, or something that students should wear, every participant should wear.
Okay, so some students, they were wearing those plain white shirt and black trouser. Like I was also one of them. But some were wearing formal shirt. They were not exactly means plain white. It was not plain, but check that is also a kind of formals. So some were wearing that, and some were wearing blazers. So it completely depends upon you.
Okay, and mostly where people were wearing tie or somewhere with no tie.
Some were wearing ties and some were not wearing. Mostly the people with the blazers were wearing ties.
Okay. Uh, do
Yeah.
you think this like different appearances also like reflect something upon the interview? Like, do they like react to this thing? Uh,
I don't think that this appearance wearing blazer and tie will impact anything on the personal interview. You should only be dressed formally. You should be neat and clean. That's what it matters.
okay, okay, that's great.
Yeah.
Um, so first, so the let me just make it clear. The first thing that happened was the briefing of the company. Then there
Yeah.
was document verification, and then there some
Yes.
students had their PI personal interview, while others had GT first. So you
Yes.
had your PI first, right?
Yeah, my PI after my document verification, which started at 1 p.m. My PI started at after the lunch. It started at around 3 p.m. It started my PI.
Okay,
So and after my PI, the GDGT occurred, and I was actually in the last group. Everyone by then had gone back,
okay.
so only 10 students
So
were remaining.
so at 8 a.m. you entered the center, and
Yeah,
after a 20 or 25 minutes briefing, you went for the document verification, which took around 1 hour.
yeah.
So this was like around 9:30 to 10, about that time. So after that, did you just wait for the PI? Like how much time did you wait for the PI? If you could tell.
So as I told that my document verification which began at 1 p.m. So after that around 8:30 or 8:45 that briefing was over. So after that till 1 p.m. I had to wait for that document verification, and in between that we had a breakfast also. So that was also a break for 15-20 minutes. So that was for document verification. Then after that, from 1 p.m. till 3 p.m., I had to wait for the personal interviews, and in between that, again, I had a lunch break for half an hour.
Okay, so a lot of time. Anyways,
Yeah.
after you went like after the document verification, when you went for the PI, like, uh, do you have had to wait there also, like, for PI? Uh,
Yeah, that was kind of a little difficult situation because they were first sending me for the PI room, which was to the left, but then they said that there is some technical difficulties over there, so you have to again go to the right side of the building. So again, I went to the right side. Then they said that it has been lunch break, so you have to wait again. So then again I have to wait after the lunch break was over. Then again I had to go for the PI. So that was a little difficult. I
okay,
had to wait a lot.
so let's just ask about the personal interview. That was the main part, I guess. It
Yeah,
carried the most marks, I guess, among all three, GD,
yeah.
GT, and
That
PI, right?
its weightage is 10%. Yeah,
Okay, and GD, GT are 5 each, I guess.
five. No, GD and GT combined are 5%.
Okay, combined are 5%. Okay,
Yeah.
so when you just went for the personal interview, how many panelists were there? Uh,
So actually, my personal interview was online mode. It wasn't that they were sitting right in front of me.
okay,
So it was a Zoom call, and so there were five panelists which were sitting right in front of me, and among them one was a lady, and four other were men.
okay. So like 5 people. Did all of them ask you some questions, or some were not asking?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah. Everyone asked me one questions.
okay. So it was still like online mode, like even after going into the personal to the center, and still they were just
Yeah.
making it online. Maybe their HR staff or an engineer staff or anyone who will be taking the interview, I think they were located
Uh,
somewhere else, I guess.
Actually, one person was sitting, that staff was sitting in that room only. He was observing me, and other five panel members, they were through the online mode.
Okay, so let's ask you about the interview now. So, what was the first question that they asked, and how it went? Uh, which all questions they like asked you, and what were like their main guessing point, like how they evaluated you and how they reacted to your answers.
So firstly they asked me to sit, and then they told me that चलिए सुमित कुछ अपने बारे में बताइए. So I had given that introduction which I had prepared, and after that I hadn't mentioned my weakness in that introduction, so they noticed that and they asked me that what are your weaknesses. So I told them my weaknesses. After my weaknesses, they were asking me that suppose you are given us in the marketing division, we send you, and you are the sales officer. So what you will do to compete with the other companies like BPCL or HPCL? What are the measures that you are going to take? Was my second question. So, do I need to give the answers also
No, no,
what
no.
I said?
That's fine. You can just tell what, and just one thing, that whatever answer you gave to them, how were
Yeah.
their response? Like, uh, were they right pointing out the things that they didn't like, or they were just saying, okay, it's okay, kind of thing?
No, no, they were not pointing out things, but they were just saying, "Okay, let's move on to the next question."
Okay.
That was their response.
And
So that after that, yeah,
yes, yes.
after that sales question, after that sales question, they asked me that what are your hobbies. So I told them that playing cricket is my hobby. So they asked that do you just play cricket or even you watch cricket. So I told them that I do watch India's matches. So they asked me that one question which was like, oh, who's the current captain of Indian cricket? Then I told them that Kohli. And after that, they asked me that how many centuries he has in the ODIs. That was their question.
Okay.
So
Uh,
they were testing, am I bluffing or am I really interested in cricket or not?
Yes, that is that is amazing. And like, uh, in total, how many questions did they ask you, including the HR and all the stuff?
Uh, okay, so I'll
Approximately.
tell you the questions. I don't remember how many questions, but I'll tell you what were the questions.
Yes, yes, yes.
Uh, okay. So after this, they asked me that what is technical questions. They asked me two technical questions. First one was what is flashpoint. That was very simple one. And they
Yes.
asked me define cooling tower. Cooling tower definition. They asked me.
Okay.
That was also very simple. And I think they were not much interested in asking technical questions, so they are only simple ones. So after this, they asked me that which are the two companies. Tell the name of two companies which are joint ventures of IOCL. This was their
Okay.
question. Joint ventures of IOCL. So I had answered them, but it was not complete answer. So they were okay. Let's move on to the next question. They were like this. So
Uh,
then they, yeah.
yeah. So did they mention these things in their briefing that occurred at the beginning? Uh, uh,
No, actually, this thing wasn't mentioned in the briefing.
Okay, so they were like testing that how much do you know about the company beforehand, like
Yeah,
before the
yeah.
briefing.
That
Yes.
is yeah. That was a major type of question that was asked. Like, how much do you know about IOCL?
Okay, and about the different like different production sectors and different industries of subunits of IOCL, they were like asking these two, I guess.
Yeah.
and
Like what are the business sectors of IOCL?
the
This type.
products and all the, do they ask all this stuff, like, or they were just asking about the main things about ISL, like what you said, the
No, they were
joint venture and all?
yeah, they were asking actually some, for some students they were asking questions in very deep. Like one of the students, they asked that what is the level of that Bombay high crude oil that comes, and what is the level of that oil well. They were asking these types of questions. So how can I don't know how will one be able to answer these questions. So
Okay.
I think they were just checking the temperament of the student.
Yes, yes. So uh, and like what you said, so any like personal HR, like asking about your personality apart from that cricket hobby, something else from your
Yeah,
personality.
yeah. They told me that rate yourself on the scale of 1 to 10. That was also a question.
Okay, that was nice. And
I
about, they
didn't.
asked you about your weaknesses as well, right?
Yeah, they asked me about my weaknesses,
Okay, okay. And
weaknesses and hobbies. Hobbies also I had to repeat. Although I had told my hobbies in my introduction, but they asked me
and
again.
did they ask about the gate score, or how much you did in gate and what you attained, all these things?
No, they were not asking. They were not asking about grade scores or grade rank, anything like that.
Okay. Anything from your BTech or the project internship kind of things?
No, not at all. They were not even asking about that training which I had done. So they were not concerned about BTech.
Okay. And they did they just ask anything like, well, why are you doing MTech, or would you favor higher education first then job? Why do you want the job? These kind of things.
No, actually, I had also prepared these types of questions, but they were not asking these types of questions at all.
Okay. And anything else that they ask that you remember?
Yeah, actually, they asked me that tell the names of brands of IOCL, HPCL, and BPCL. So, like IOCL has Indian, that is an LPG gas brand. So, similarly, we have to tell one brand of BPCL and HPCL also. That was also a question.
Okay. And anything about IOCL's current technologies, like they are moving up to fuel cell development and research, the R&D sector, anything from that?
No, they hadn't asked me. They did not ask me anything about that.
Okay.
Like one student, they had asked that apart from that energy sector, what other sectors is IOCL investing in? So they had shown in the briefing that that IOCL is producing some kind of sanitizers. So
Yes.
that was actually what they wanted to ask.
Okay. So what was the last question that they asked? Uh,
This one, that brand's name. Tell me
okay.
the brand's name.
And then they just said it's okay, or do they respond something in a different way?
No, no. Actually, after this question, they told me that okay, Sumit, your interview is over. You may go. So that was.
Okay, so approximately how much time it took in the PI?
Actually, in the starting, they were asking around 25 minutes for each student, 20 to 25 minutes. But since my interview was in the evening, it was very late. They were also exhausted by then. So for me, it was 10 minutes, and for other students also around that 3 p.m. timing, they were also interviewed for 10 minutes.
Okay, so approximately at what time did your interview took place? After 2 p.m.
No, after 3 p.m.
After 3 p.m. Okay, and after that your GD and GT were there, right?
Yeah, actually, we had 10 students in that group. So we were waiting that all the 10 students will finish their PI, then we will be sent for that GT entry.
Okay, so in the group discussion, I think group discussion took place first, right?
Yeah, first that group discussion occurred, and it occurred at around 4:30 p.m.
Okay,
4:30.
and how many students were in the group?
Uh, in my group, there were 10 students.
Okay, 10
Actually,
students.
those groups are also divided based on the category. So OBC category students and one or two SC category students were also present in that.
Okay, so did you just like it was held in a particular room, separate room, or at a very or at the place where PI was held near to
No,
it?
actually, no, actually, the PI was held in a single small room that was not a big room, and the group discussion that occurred, it occurred in the same room in which we were given that briefing earlier in the morning.
Okay.
So yeah, that room only that GD and GT took place.
So, what was your topic for the GD?
Actually, my topic in the group discussion was that effect of carbon tax on the emission of greenhouse gases.
Okay, quite interesting. So, after they did some like they gave you some options to choose between the topics, or they you were just given the topic.
No, actually, I was also waiting for that they will give me another topic. So they didn't give me any other topic. They told me that this is the topic you have to discuss
Okay,
on this.
so after giving the topic, like each one of you guys were just making up some notes, or it began immediately.
Yeah, so we were given a piece of paper and a pen, and we were told that you can write your points on that paper as well. So after that, we were given after the giving of topic, we were given 2 minutes to write down whatever we want to speak. So yeah, that was.
Okay, so like you were given around 2 minutes, right?
Yeah.
So uh, did all the 10 students participated in that?
Yeah, in the group discussion, actually, they had uh, that group discussion. There were two panel members, actually, one lady and one man was present. So they actually told us that you should give the opportunity to each and every student to speak. You just don't go speaking by yourself. So that is what, and we also had mutually decided, since we were the last group, so we were very frank with each other. So we had decided that okay, we'll give everyone the opportunity, so like that.
Okay, so roughly around if we take, how many points did everyone mention, like per person, how many points did they mention?
Some of the persons mentioned two or I think one person that he was mentioning at is 3 points, but rest 2 or 1 point only they had mentioned, and that was.
Okay, so and the panel reacted to some points, or they were just listening, or just waiting for
They,
it to get over?
Actually, they were just observing us that what we are speaking, how confidently we are speaking, and are we listening to the other peoples or not. That was only that they were observing. They were not concerned about what we are means, how many points we had put up. They were not worrying about that.
Okay, and
And at the last at the group discussion, when it was finished, so they asked that each and every one of us to describe in one sentence that what is our views. So that was.
okay, so that was collectively asked, or from each person it was asked? Uh,
No, that was from each person. You have to speak, you have
okay,
to tell one sentence.
and were your group able to conclude on some point towards the end?
No, actually, the group discussion, it was not a matter that we have to come to that same point. So every person had their own opinion, and
Okay,
that was how.
so like were there any clashes or something, that someone is speaking and the other starts immediately? And how did you
Mm,
manage the group managed it if it happened?
no, no. Actually, there was not at all any clashes not to take place. Like one person, as soon as he finished, the other person started speaking. Then, as soon as that person finished, the other person started speaking. So they were not like in between. Somebody is starting. Everybody was getting enough time, so they will get the chances to speak.
Okay. And uh, the 10 students were there, so in other GD and GT also, were there 10 students or less students, if you have seen it?
Uh, I think other also there were 10 students only. In some maybe 8 students would be, I did not count exactly, but 8 or 10 students only there were present.
Okay, okay. So that's great. And after that, you were sent to the GT round, or it held right there?
Right there only, after as soon as the group discussion was over, those two panel members they told us that group task they had given to us. So
And it was the same group, right? The 10 students.
yeah, same group. Yeah, same group.
Okay. And what was the task given to you all?
Actually, that was very interesting. That group task. We were given 30 words, and we had to form a story with those 30 words. So that was very interesting, and they were also enjoying hearing our story.
Okay.
They, as at the end, they were also laughing to it, like a very nice story. They were appreciating.
That's amazing. Only 30 words.
Yeah, with
And
30 words, you have to form a story.
okay. And how
Means
much
your story
time?
should contain all those 30 words.
Okay. And how much time did they give for this?
They gave, I think, 10 minutes. They gave for this.
Okay. And everybody like just came up and discussed, you guys discussed among yourselves, or you had to speak it in front of the panel, like
No, actually, yeah, I'm getting what you're trying to say. That no, but in the group task, they were not worrying about who is speaking how much, who is putting up points. The only thing that mattered in that group task is that you should put some points. You should be able to actually initiate. Means some points you should put in that group task. And the final thing that matters is that what is your solution to that given group task? Are you able to come to a conclusion as a whole, as a group, or not? That was,
okay, so 30 words and one story. uh,
yeah.
were you able to like build up a story like with only 30 words? Were the words like that in that manner?
Yeah, actually, we were able to build up the story. The words were, yeah, it was some kind of, means you can form a story. It's not that it is very difficult or something. But in the other group also, we had heard that they were also given one similar task. They were also given, I think, 25 or 30 words, and they had to form a story. But unfortunately, they were not able to form a story. So we were lucky that we had come to some conclusion.
Wow,
We were
that's
able
great.
to form.
And after the whole story was put up from the words, so did you guys, one of you guys told the whole story, narrated the whole story to the panel?
Yes, yes. Actually, that lady, she told us that no need for everyone to write that story in that paper. Just one person will write the story and he will narrate the entire story.
Okay. And just asking this, that if you have talked to other people also, if there who had their GT and GD first, so did they tell you about their topics and their task, in case they have, anyone has told you?
Actually, I don't remember. As I told, one group, I remember that story forming was there. Other group, I think one group they were given something related to COVID, like prevention of third wave or something like that was
Okay,
topic of one group. Yeah.
that's great. So after all this thing, all of these things, how till what, at what time at it did it end? The whole thing, the whole interview and all this GD and GT, at what time?
Uh, it ended at around 5:30 p.m. We were the last group and it ended at 5:30 p.m.
Okay. So, and after that, they just escorted you outside.
Yeah, we had to go by ourselves, and we were actually given a that TA bill that we had to submit for the travel allowances.
Okay.
So that we have to submit, and we have to give a feedback also. That was compulsory for everyone. So after that duty, we did these two things, and then we left.
And anything else they told about the whole procedure, like what would be the next thing, or anything, just information that they gave towards the end or something?
No, there was no such information like in results, or I'm also worrying that when the results will be out,
Okay,
they
that's
did not tell
amazing.
anything about that.
So 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. That's a lot of time. Well,
Yeah,
in fact, that's a lot of patience. And even in Gale interview, we had to wait a lot, at least. Like, but it was still conducted because there was only interview. So, what time did your interview went for the Gale? Uh,
it was around at 4 p.m. evening.
okay, mine was around like 2:30 to 3, between that. So, but yes, it was online mode, so you can just rest in your homes. But in IOCL, you had to visit the center. So, anyways,
Yeah, but it was a very good experience actually overall. I had enjoyed. Means I was having a fear of attending the interviews before, but after that it was over. I was feeling relaxed, and I was thinking that okay, it's done now, and I don't need to worry. Even in the future, if I'm going to face any PSU interview, I'm not going to be scared as this.
yes, that's the main thing, because these experiences are really worthwhile, and the more you have it, the more I think uh, we can actually build ourselves and become more confident. Anyways, well, thank you. And one thing, last thing, that you are doing currently MTech from IIT Madras, I guess. Uh,
Yeah.
so anything you want to share, like during these days? I think there were minors also coming uh, in all the IITs.
Actually, I'll tell you that I had taken admission for that I'm at IIT Madras, but I later planned that I'll be going for job preparation, so I'm not attending those classes. I have withdrawn my admission as well.
Okay, okay. Anyways, hope all the best to you, that you wait. And there are many more interviews coming, like ONGC has released for 2020, but after that they will also take in uh, web, via the gate 2021 as well. So let's
Yeah,
wait.
and we have that BARC and
Bark is also
NRL.
there. So Bark, you are also giving the written exam, right?
Yeah, I'm having that exam on 22nd. I think for everyone, every
Yes,
chemical
yes.
engineering. Yeah.
So that center also is also in Kolkata or in Jharkhand only?
No, actually, that center is in Bihar. It is in Patna.
Okay. Anyways, thanks for joining and telling your experience. It was really worthwhile to listen and uh, understand how the things went during the IOCL interview. Anything that you want to just say, anything else, just a tip or any information or any advice for the IOCL interview?
For IOCL interview, what I thought was that after the interviews, what I thought is you can prepare, like you can visit Quora and everything, you can do research, what questions are asked, but in the end, it completely depends upon the interviewer what he wants to ask, from which sector he is. If he's from the refinery sector, then he's going to ask you technical question. If he's not, then he'll be asking you more these types of questions which he had asked me. So it is based on your luck. It completely depends upon your luck, and that's what you should give your 100%. while preparing.
Yeah.
But later on, it completely depends upon your luck.
So, did everyone gave their interview in that room only, or there were separate rooms as well?
No, they were separate rooms actually. One was at the left and one was at the right.
Okay.
So some of the candidates were on the left. Mine was at the left.
Okay. And did they ask anyone else some more technical questions that you asked the other guys about?
No, actually, not at all. Technical questions, like one or two technical questions only. Like in my case, they asked two technical questions. Similarly, for some students, they asked two technical questions. For some students, they did not ask any technical questions. So that
Okay.
was how it is.
Okay. Thank you, Sumit. Thank you. Thank you for joining and telling your experience and sharing so much information. I hope you do well, and let's meet again sometime. Okay. So,
Yeah.
thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye bye.